Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I made it back into IKEA and I hope you were able to go to IKEA because a lot of the things I showed you in the first video are sold out, or there's only like one or two of them left. Like this tea towel here, there's only one left in the whole store that I saw, and it was this one on the display. So this was just a little cute vignette when I walked into the store, really cute. And so the first thing I saw that was new is this platter for $19.99. Really pretty. And they had a great selection of cake stands. This one was for $7.99. This one was $14.99 with the glass lid. Came as a set. And they had this modern one here for $30. I love the gray top. Really pretty. So I still didn't see the Christmas mugs. I was hoping to see with the birds on them, but they had these mugs here. They were pretty for $3.49, and they had this set here. So you got 4 in one set. I love the pattern on them. And they were for $14.99 for 4. And I love these green containers here. They had the large, the medium, and the small. And each container was a slightly different shade of green. So here's the medium size. It is part of their winter collection. That's for $11.99. And the smaller size, it's a lighter green. So you do get the lid too, and that's for $6.99. And here's the biggest size. And you get the cork lid. That'd be really pretty on a display. And the biggest size is $14.99. And they had these really cute tins. They match the pattern that the tea towels and the aprons with the cookies and the candles on it. They were really cute. And for $1.99, they had some new pot holders. Here's the one with the oranges. And they had the one with the vegetables. And they had this gray version, and there's the broccoli one. That one was $1.99. And they had a red and a navy blue as well, $1.25. There's the navy blue. And they had matching oven mitts as well, with the stripe on it. And some more Christmas napkins, these ones here with the stripes. For $3.99 for a pack of 30. And for $5.99, they had this new pitcher I hadn't seen before. It was like a mint green color. Really pretty. It's like a thermos with the lid. You use that in many different ways. And they had these really sweet little gift bags here. You had 3 different patterns with the stickers. And they were for $8.49 for a pack of 25. I love the pattern on them. And they had some cute little bags here. They match the gift wrap that I showed in my first video. They also had this one here with the dog on it. Really cute with the red and the green. Those were for $2.99 for a pack of 12. They had these gift bags here. The candy canes on the back. That was pretty. And some more of the longer gift bags. And lots of the gift wrap. There's the birds, really pretty. That'd be great to line a bookcase with for Christmas in the winter season. And they had the version with the dog as well. They were $1.99. And a great pack of bows for $4.99. Really pretty colors. And here's some of the little masks you can make. And the cute tags that I brought home for 99 cents. You get a pack of 12 for 99 cents. Sorry, I was picking up a couple here. So you get the pattern on the back. This is the pattern on the back with the Santas. And then they get the pattern with all the animals on it. And these were sweet. These are stickers for $1.49. And you get an 8-pack. They had lots of different patterns inside. Really cute. And these were new too, the envelopes. Really pretty with the hearts and the trees. And these mats I hadn't seen before with the horses with the polka dots. Really sweet. Great for a front porch. And these rugs I hadn't seen before either. They were $14.99 with the rainbows. And here's the horses again. They were $19.99. And they still had some of the Christmas mats left over. Not very many, but they did have the one with the bow. And the one with the wreath with the oranges. And they came in 2 sizes. Here's the smaller size. Love the rainbow, really pretty. And in the frame section, they had some new frames that I hadn't seen before. This one in the really pretty blue for $2.49. And they had a peach color as well. I always love IKEA's frame section. They always have great frames at a great price. Came in gold too. And they had these ones up here for $5.99. It came in this color here with the pink. And they hang with the chain at the back. And there's the gold. And this black color here. Does anybody know what time it is? Couldn't resist. Some great clocks though on the wall here as I was walking by. Lots of different price points. And I didn't see this the last time, the Potpourri. So I saw 2 different scents. The orange that comes in the red and the green with the tree. And they were for $3.99. And some great candles. I love the raspberry candles. Great color red. And for $8.99, I saw more of the little houses, this time in black. I didn't see any of the cream or the gray colors. They must have been sold out. And these were cute. The little hourglasses here. Lots of different colors. So they had the pink version here for $9.99. And they had this version for $5.99. It was slightly smaller. And then this one here for $3.99. And it had the sand inside. And these aren't new, but they did have lots of them, the cactuses. So you got a set of 3 for $19.99. They'd be great at Christmas time or year-round. And they had some great garland here. This one here with the berries. And they had the eucalyptus here. Really pretty. It was quite long. And the eucalyptus, I believe, was for $9.99. And they had some new ornaments I hadn't seen before. That was cute. Some great little crafts here for $2.99. You could draw your own face on. Lots of the pine cones. The tree boxes were below. And they had this here. It was a really pretty pink. It was like a big ball you could make. Really pretty for decor. And more of the potpourri. Here's the winter one. So that would smell like evergreen. And these were cute. The little icicle ornaments for $7.99 for a pack of 6. And they had lots of the bowls here. They were for $26.99. And this one here for $14.99. Really pretty. And they had some now or nevers. This was $4.99. So this glass container, it came with the lid. So there it is there, and there's the lid. And they had the bowl in a smaller version in gold. And some great vases. I love that one there with the stripes. Really pretty. And some succulents. So you got a pack of 3. They are fake. And they had these guys here for $7.99. Really pretty. I could see hot gluing some berries onto those. And they had these trees here. This guy kept falling over. He didn't want to stand up. They'd be great trees to add on to. And these orchids I thought were real, but they are actually fake. So they did a good job. They look really realistic. And they are for $17.99. And these were cute little planters here in the gray color. And these were really pretty, the fake flowers. Really pretty pink. And they were for $7.99. And these candle holders, they were new. I hadn't seen them before, for $2.49. They got some cute little birds on them. You can see the hummingbird there. So there's a bird. There's a couple of hidden birds within the candle holder. You could use this in many different ways. There's another bird. And they had some cute little bows here. Great color. For $7.99 for a 6-pack. And this is a great wreath for $8.99 with the bells. And for $3.99, they had these really cute little candle holders. Great color green. I could see using these year round, even in the summertime. And they didn't have any of these on display, but this is the dark green, almost hunter green candle holder. Could put a block candle in. It's a little house. That's for $11.99. And for $3.99, they have these little candle holders. They'd be great for a tea light. Pretty cream color with the specks on it. And these were $3.99 as well. Really pretty. You could put a candle inside. And they had lots of options for candles if you're looking for some red candles. They had this set here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the set. Great block candle. Great color red. And these ones here were for $2.99. They came in silver and red. Here's the red here. Great color red. And here's the silver. And for $3.99, you got a pack of 4 of these candles, and they each one had a little pattern on it: a candy cane, a stocking, a present. Little holly there. That was pretty. And for $8.99, you got the set of the candles. So you get 5 candles for $8.99. And this set also comes in cream as well. So 2 different colors that I saw. And these were really cute. This little light up Christmas tree. And that was for $5.99. And this is why I came to IKEA, but they were still sold out of the IKEA glass doors, so hopefully next time. And as I was checking out, they had the advent calendar, really sweet with the little gnomes on there, and they were for $9.99. Well, thank you very much for coming shopping with me to IKEA. I hope you liked this video. If you're liking these videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So I hope to see you soon in my next video. Take care. And of course, happy shopping. Bye.